Bulls are likely to struggle to gather recovery momentum. Mostly Nifty may stay near the dotted lines with positive buys. The hawkish impact from Powell's testimony is likely to dictate the market's momentum until Friday, when the US jobs report will trickle in. In early action, SGX Nifty is seen struggling for direction. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests benchmark Nifty to swing between gains and losses in today's trade. That's because the sentiments are seen flip-flopping between an imminent recession, caused by the Fed, to no recession, so the Fed must cause one. Meanwhile, last evening, on the policy side, Fed Chair Jerome Powell told Congress that the central bank would likely need to raise rates more than expected in response to recent hotter-than-expected employment and inflation data. Bottom line, Powell's testimony points to a 50 basis point March rate hike to combat sticky inflation. Global cues are muted. In Wednesday's trade, FIIs bought shares worth Rs 3,672 crores while DIIs bought worth Rs 938 crore. Fando options data suggests Nifty's range of 17,000 to 18,000 zone. India VIX is at 12.45 levels. Nifty PCR is at 1.35. Bank Nifty PCR is at 1.07. Nifty's outlook for the day, volatile and choppy. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Sentiment is likely to be waver. Nifty's technicals are suggesting a rebound play. Nifty, CMP 17,754. Nifty's intraday support at 17,601 mark. Biggest Nifty interweek hurdles now at 17,857 mark. Nifty's range for the day is seen between 17,700 to 17,950 zone. Bias for the day, positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 41557. Bank Nifty's intraday support seen at 41,000 levels. Major resistance at 41,979. Bank Nifty range for the day at 41,300 to 42,300 zone. Bias for the day, positive. Well, it was a pretty strong showing for benchmark Nifty in Wednesday's trade, and most importantly, the gains continued for third day in a row. The positive takeaway from yesterday's session was that Nifty stabilized after a volatile lower open. Most importantly, bulls regrouped at lower levels despite hawkish comments made by Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. This morning, the US dollar index is trading firm at its 8-week high at 105.50 levels. Now, the next two big catalysts investors will anxiously await are 1. February jobs report, which will trickle in on Friday, 10th March. 2. Investors will also eye India's IIP data scheduled on 10th March.